morning to all. This is Samashwar Reddy, IIT Chemistry faculty. Last class we discussed classification of bases. Okay, first classification already we discussed based on acidity, monoacidic, diacidic, triacidic. What is acidity? Okay, the number of OH minus ions furnished by one molecule of base is known as acidity. Here one molecule of acid replaces one OH minus ion. That type of bases we are calling monoacidic base. Okay, two OH minus ions are replaced. That are called diacidic base. Three OH minus ions are replaced. Triacidic base. Okay, this is already discussed. Next classification is based on strength. Based on strength, the acids are classified. The bases are classified strong base and weak base. Okay, strong base. The bases which are completely ionized. The bases which are completely ionized. Ionized in water to furnish OH minus ions. Already we discussed definition of base. The substance which is dissolved in water to furnish OH minus ions is called base. Okay, here based on strength, strong bases, the bases which are completely ionized in water to furnish OH minus ions are called strong bases. Here example, we have only two strong bases, that is KOH and NaOH. Okay, KOH, potassium hydroxide, this is sodium hydroxide. Okay, these two bases are strong bases. Understand? Next type is weak base. The bases which are not completely ionized. Ionized in water to furnish OH minus ions. See here, weak bases, the bases which are not completely ionized in water to furnish OH minus ions. Already we discussed that strong base, the base which is completely ionized to furnish OH minus ions. These are examples for strong bases, KOH and NaOH. Except these two bases, remaining all bases are weak bases. Except this KOH and NaOH, remaining all bases are weak bases. For example, generally we are taking weak bases ammonium hydroxide. Examples here, ammonium hydroxide generally we are taking as a weak base, and remaining CaOH twice, MgOH twice. These are all we are calling weak bases. Except these two hydroxides, potassium and sodium hydroxides, remaining all hydroxides are weak bases. All hydroxides are weak bases. Already we know, we discussed metal hydroxides and metal oxides are bases. Okay, metal oxides and metal hydroxides are bases. In this metal hydroxide, which base is completely ionized in water, we are calling a strong base, and which bases are not completely ionized in water, that kind of weak bases. Strong bases examples KOH and NaOH. Weak base examples, except these two bases, remaining all bases are weak bases. Generally, we are taking ammonium hydroxide is weak base, and calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, copper hydroxide, okay, iron hydroxide, whatever that remaining, all hydroxides are weak bases. Here we need to discuss about ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. Generally, what happens here? Metal oxides and metal hydroxide. All metal hydroxides bases. In this case, suppose we are taking a NH4OH. This is ammonium hydroxide. In this case, there is no metal ion. There is no metal ion. This is except case of base. There is no metal ion. Here, ammonium hydroxide having two ions. One is NH4 plus and OH minus. Okay, this ammonium ion NH4 plus and OH minus. These two are two ions. This ammonium plus is act as a metal ion. Generally, we observe any metal hydroxide. Suppose we are taking sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide gives sodium ion and OH minus ion. This is strong base. This is strong base. It gives sodium metal ion and hydroxide. But ammonium hydroxide we observe, it gives ammonium plus ion, ammonium NH4 plus ion and hydroxide ion. But there is no metal ion. This is exception case. This we are calling ammonium hydroxide, and another name is ammonia solution, and ammonia liquor also we are calling. Okay, ammonium hydroxide is also called ammonia solution and ammonia liquor. Okay, there is no metal ion. This NH4 plus is act as ammonium ion, act as metal ion. Okay, this is having positive charge like sodium plus ion. Okay, these are the exceptions. Here what is mean by alkali? Alkali. Okay, first we discuss bases. The bases definitions, which are having a bitter taste and soapy to touch. Generally, metal oxides and hydroxides are having basic in nature. In this, metal oxides and metal hydroxides are having basic nature. In this one, we are discussing strong acid, strong base and weak base. Here, one more word is alkali. Here, alkali means the base which is dissolved in water, which is dissolved in water. See here, already we discussed generally metal oxides and metal hydroxides are bases. Metal oxides, some are dissolved in water. Okay, which the metal oxides are dissolved in water to give metal hydroxides. These type of bases we are calling alkalis. The base which is dissolved in water is called alkali. It's called alkali. For example, already we know sodium hydroxide we discussed. When sodium hydroxide dissolved in water, combines with water to form sodium hydroxide. To form sodium hydroxide. Okay. Next, potassium hydroxide also dissolved in water to form potassium hydroxide. Okay, this type of the base which is dissolved in water to form its hydroxides, generally we are calling dissolved in water, which the base is dissolved in water, that type of bases we are calling alkalis. Okay, here one note. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not a alkali. Not a alkali. Next classification. Based on concentration. Based on concentration. Based on concentration. Okay. In this one, first one, concentrated base. Concentrated base. Okay. See here, already we discussed in the previous classes concentrated acid. Concentrated base, like that here, it is based on the amount of the base. Amount of the base. The amount of the base is relatively large in aqueous solution of base. See, the amount of base is relatively in aqueous solution of base is called concentrated bases. Generally, we know already we discussed like concentrated acid, concentrated base, like the concentrated base. KOH, concentrated UOH. Okay. Next one, based on concentration. Next one is diluted base. Diluted base. Diluted base. See here, already we know the amount of this based on the amount of base. Okay. The amount of base is relatively small in aqueous solution of base. Okay, the amount of the solution is relatively small in aqueous solution. Relatively small in aqueous solution and dissolve it. Okay, example here. So dilution we are writing like this: diluted KOH and diluted KOH. These are the we are representing dilute bases. Okay, this is classification of bases. First, based on acidity, based on strength, based on concentration we discuss. Based on concentration is nothing but based on amount of base in aqueous solution. Okay, remaining tomorrow we will discuss.